I had every intention of being there today, but complications from lupus prevent my appearance. Last week, what I thought I had was a common cold turned out to be a virus. After 3 days of trying to treat it myself, I wound up in Johns Hopkins emergency room with a 104-degree fever and a severe shortness of breath. I was quickly diagnosed with pneumonia and treated appropriately. This is an example of the sudden and daunting experiences many lupus patients face every day. 5 years ago, I was a GS-13 Step 5 Program Manager for the Department of Veteran Affairs. When I was diagnosed with lupus, I had no clue that my life would never be the same. The diagnosis came when I developed pleurisy and pneumonia. I also developed severe lupus nephritis and spent 2 months in hospital while they tried to get it under control. I had high-dose steroids and chemotherapy to prevent further damage to my brain. My mother was told I had a 40% chance of survival. I was forced to retire from my 26-year career appointment as a result of failing health and medical opinions that I might not recover all of my cognitive functions. My family and I were devastated and could not imagine how my life had changed so much in a matter of weeks. I was fortunate to find an abundance of resources, education, and support from my local chapter at the Lupus Foundation of America. Today, I feel blessed to be healthy enough to work again on a part-time basis. Fatigue, however, is always a factor I must consider. My family was first exposed to lupus when my mother, Gaskins, was diagnosed in the 1980s. Unfortunately for her, that diagnosis did not come until after her kidneys failed. She lived bravely for 14 years on dialysis until she lost her fight. Lupus patients desperately need new and more promising treatment options. Current drug side effects from long-standing treatments can be damaging and debilitating in and of themselves. This is a common conversation among the many lupus patients that I have met in recent years. What can be done to make things better for this generation and those who follow? Even though each person's symptoms or severity of illness varies, we all live with the reality that lupus flares can crop up at any time and threaten our quality of life. I would like to express my fervent desire to see new treatments for lupus move forward. We need every available tool and treatment option in order to allow patients to live longer and healthier lives with this disease. Thank you for your time.